Hello, this is Monday. I am getting ready to make a wrap. It's going to be a veggie wrap. This is part of my healthy recipe. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I'm getting ready to do a veggie wrap. I have my avocado all the way. I already took it out the chair. I'm going to cut it. The avocado. Cut it real fine. I have tomatoes. I have the diced tomatoes that's in the can. This is avocado. Put it in here. Okay, I have my red onions. Okay. Chopped up. Chop them up real good. Okay, I'll move this onion over here and put it in there. I have my tomatoes. I got diced canned tomato with the garlic and everything in there. I have my bell mushroom. I'm gonna chop up. It might be different how you chop it. Okay. I have my spinach that I have. I'm gonna put it on in my wrap. I'm gonna chop the spinach up. They already washed them. I just chop them up like this. This is my spinach. What I do with the lemon, I squeeze a little lemon on my avocado. Keep it fresh and you know, so they won't turn brown. On the seeds. Okay, put this to the side. Clean our knife off. Okay, I'm getting ready to. This is tomato wrap tortilla, dry tomato wrap tortilla. This is no cooking, no baking. It's all natural. They're pretty big. It smells good, dry tomato. Okay. What I'm going to do, let you see my tortillas. I'm going to put my tomato, spread it in there. My spinach, my onions, taking it out of the spread, my avocado, and my mushroom. Let you see what I'm doing. I'm going to fold it up. It only takes a second to do it. Put it up, fold it, and cut it. And this your wrap. See how easy that is to make it? Let you see it. Don't they look good? This is your wrap. Make sure you subscribe and click like. This is Nana Paula J making veggie wrap. See? Don't they look good? No cooking, no baking or anything. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Not Paula J. Make sure you subscribe, click like, and share. This is my veggie wrap. Bye.